Alright, boys, girls, and goblins, welcome back to another stream, bro. Chachos. Yo, it's been a little bit, been a few days since I last streamed, and been quite a few days since we've last worked on this project. And quite frankly, the reason I'm streaming it right now is because, I'll be honest, if I wasn't streaming it, I'd probably be playing Minecraft or something, right? So, like, this is kind of like my motivation, like, I gotta stream it to work on it. We have like 2 to 4 hours, we're just gonna be grinding this. We're probably gonna make some good progress. Or maybe we'll be stuck on like one mechanic the entire time. I don't know. But yo, welcome each and every one of y'all. Okay, so let's first start by pausing the music in the background and actually like showing off what we have so far, right? So like we can see what we've done. So let's get started. Let's do a little start, a little showcase, right? That's always fun. But yo, welcome each and every one of you, right? Okay, I have the music muted. All right, there we go. Okay, so first off, this all works. This all works fine. This works as properly. We can do fight, we can attack. This all works great. She takes damage. She's like, hey, oh, stop doing that. And then we have an attack that actually is like somewhat advanced. It targets you. That's something. I don't know. And then we have act. We have some options. Check. That works. Kinda. Mostly. There's some spacing issues, but we can work on that. And then that works again. And then after that, she does the other attack. This attack's not finished. This one I want to use the blue soul for. We might end up making the blue soul today. That's something we gotta do, right? Let's see. I don't know if any of the others are programmed in yet. No, they're not. None of these work. Item doesn't work at all. And then in the mercy tab, flee and spare both do the same thing. Flirt? I'm not gonna actually do it. It was just a placeholder. So all the options are just placeholders, right? Flirt, I think I copied that from the Toriel battle. Or Toriel or Papyrus. Actually, I think you can flirt with both of them. Oh my goodness gracious. So honestly, since y'all are here, we can actually decide. What do we want these little 3 buttons to do, right? We have the small talk one I kind of want to keep because it's important for one of the endings. But these two, these are just for fun. Like, what kind of one can we have? And these might change. There's going to be like 2 little distinct phases to the battle. So I might have these be 2 different ones throughout the battle, right? So this is technically phase 1. Phase 1, you'll do some other stuff. And then phase 2 is when something else happens, but that's later. And then the genocide one will probably have their own. All right, but yeah, so that's where we're starting. That's where we're starting off. So we've made decent progress, but yeah, if Nara, she jump scares you. Imagine that. Well, see, the thing is, I think Frisk is actually canonically younger than Nara, so that just gets weirder and different vibe. But yeah, so that's what we're working with. So we've made some progress, but like once we get all the UI stuff, all the menu things working, then we can work on more attack animations. We also need to make blue soul. I think the fight utilizing just blue and red soul might be enough. If we really want to get fancy, we might make yellow soul, but that's a little bit more advanced. HackedCrusade, do you remember when you asked your crush out? Now you're dating? Congratulations! Yo, that's huge. Yeah, what was I saying? Right, so blue soul, red soul, maybe yellow soul if we want to be fancy. I'm not thinking, I have no plans to make like any custom souls or anything though, that'd be weird. Unless we want to do that, but what would we even do? What would we even do for a custom soul, man? I don't know. Alright, so let's get to grinding. So, obvious thing is we should probably finish the act button, right? That's the obvious choice. Ooh, that's just gonna be a pain in the butt. Okay, let's mute that. We don't need that. We don't need the game sound effects playing. Okay, so the small talk one, we gotta work on that. We gotta go and get that all working. At least one's working. At least we're not starting from scratch. And then the item's also gonna be hell. Item's also just gonna be annoying. Ooh. Alright. Oh my god. At least we're sitting here. We're sitting here. We are approaching the problem. That's the hard part. The hard part is getting started. You know, this is gonna be so cool when it's done. Ooh, we just gotta finish it. Oh my god. Okay, so we gotta go look in a little code over on the side of the screen. So let's see. So where do I have the act stuff? Let's see. Woo! Add milk as an item. If you give it to her, you can spare her. No, you can't give the milk to spare her. There will be a milk item. I do have plans for a milk item, but we're not working on the items right now. We'll work on the items in a little bit. All right, let's see. Okay, and that's Location 2, right? Oh my god. Ugh. Just a lot. There's just a lot of code. There's a lot of stuff. Am I organized? Definitely not. Let's see. Okay, so there's location 1. God. This is a mess to look at. Make a reflurf Nary gets sent for jail. We're not gonna have the floor. Someone said hug, and I think hug's not a bad idea. Hug isn't a bad idea. Alright, hey, you're here early? Welcome, a local animator. Let's see, let's see. So location 2 is definitely the... That's the one for the act, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's the check, right? So this is pretty simple. We just kind of have to copy this. Doot, doot. And then we just do 2. And we just kind of write. What are we going to write? Let's see. So what is location 2 actually? I'd have to go check that in game to see what it is. Which one do we just add? Oh, you are in Unity. Yes, this is Unity. Correct. All right, let's see. Which is the player? The player is Frisk. You are not Nara. You are fighting Nara. Shrimple is that. Hold on. Okay, so let's see. Which one did I just do? I forget if 2 is the bottom left one or the top right. So I need to check. Okay, it's a small talk. Okay. I just copy and pasted the code, so it does the same thing. There we go. Let's see. So now that's small talk, that's gonna be small talk 1. So that's the thing. The small talk, basically the idea I have right now is I want it to be every time you talk to her, she'll give like a different line. For that's why like the small talk will be like part for one of the endings, because like you just keep on talking to her, and like this is like where you actually have like the understanding. And every other route, you're either just first you're just standing there, just staring like a menace. You know how he is. You just stare at her. He's like or you're actually trying to murder her, right? So this is the one where like you actually like kind of have like that coming together, you know. So that's why the small talk is very important, and you have to do it. I guess in this phase, I think if you wait too long, you're kind of screwed. Okay, so I do need to set up a thing so like it knows which phase you're on. Let's see. And do an act for stare. Oh, you're right. You're so right. That's a good one. Okay, so let's think. So how do I want to structure this? I need some way to know. Obviously, we're gonna need a new variable. All right. I love your content though. I appreciate it. I'm gonna need a new variable. Let's see. Where do I want to keep this? Yeah, I'll keep it next to that. So public int. How does being Royal Pear's friend feel like? I go to his house. Actually, we met. I went with Pear on Friday in order to get pizza, and we just talked about YouTube content stuff. That was fun. Ooh, when will this game be finished? There is not a release date because I'm busy. I'm not like a component. I don't get paid. So like, ooh, there is no release date planned. When do you meet? In elementary school. All right, let's see. Yes, I don't have any plans. Let's see. We'll just call it small doc. And it starts at 0. Let's go. No way. Yeah, so we went to Mod Pizza. Don't know if you all know that place, but it's like a little custom pizza place. I don't really go there very often, but I've gone there twice with Pear. It's the only times I've gone there, so that's fun. Okay, great. Now that we have this, Shrimply as that. And then we just kind of check the variable. At least they gotta be 2037. It's not gonna be soon. I gotta grind. Like my goal, I think, is I want to do more of these little dev streams like next few days, because I want to get this progress made. Once I have the full UI made, it's just writing and creating new attacks. Now creating attacks, that's a problem in itself. That's actually kind of tricky, but that's a different kind of tricky. It's theoretically more fun. All right. So yeah, if small talk is equal to 1. And then we just copy that. Doot. Doot. I need some way. How does being a game maker? I'm not real. I don't know. I want to consider myself a game maker really until I make like a real game that like, you know, is a money game, right? But that's for later. That's for later. Obviously, we don't need the check dialogue. So we start with that. We get rid of that. Ooh, good afternoon, Heck. What's your thoughts on Texas weather? Oh my god, it was so hot today. It felt like the devil put his armpit over the state. Yes, I love Texas. Yeehaw, my butt. It's so hot. Okay, let's see. So where do we want to start? We don't have to do the entire small talk thing right now. We just have to get started with the little thingies. So where do we start little writing? All right. Let's see. You know what? We're gonna start with small talk. You ask her, how's the weather? Okay. And then I'll need some way for her to respond. So I'll just text this and see if it formats correctly, and that's all that we need. And then after that, we increment small talk by 1. Okay. This should work. Should be pretty simple. This is a pretty small implementation. I just need to set it up so that I can like increment this work. How's the weather? Always works. Yeah, scariest game you've ever played. I don't play many scary games, but I was playing Minecraft the other day. I'm playing modded Minecraft, and we have the cave dweller. Holy shoot, he was going to dwell in my caves. Like, I'm playing Minecraft, right? I'm just mining. And then boom, there's the man, he's like, ooga booga. And I'm like, oh. And the thing is, we're playing on hard mode, so he just kills you in 2 shots, and he's just terrifying. Going to Texas next year? I always wonder, what do people do when they visit Texas? People always tell me, I'm going to Texas. Why? What are you doing here? Okay, so it should work. It doesn't. Okay. It doesn't work. We need to figure that out. Did I set it to 0? I set it to 0. That's why. Yeah, that's on me. Okay, we can start at 0. That's fine. I should work now. Woo. God. I don't have diamond iron armor, so he just 2-shots me, man. And he runs around the corners. The thing is, the fact that he can pathfind around the corners. Like, I'm trying to get away from him, and he just locks on. Alright. Loading. I love how long Unity takes to load on my computer. Ooh, man. One of these days I'll get a better computer. That'd be so cool. Alright, let's try again. Okay. So it should work. And then we'll just need to find some way for narrator reply. You ask her, how's the weather? And then see, she does the default thing. I need her to, like... I need the small talk to work differently. The small talk, it can't just do the default intern. It needs to be able to do something different, right? That's the difference. And then obviously it doesn't work the second time because I don't have one programmed after that. Okay. You can do a computer building stream? I don't want to do that. I'd be afraid I'd break something. I'm literally an engineer, but I'm afraid I'd break something. Ooh. Alright, let's see. Okay, so I need some way for her to reply. I need some way to not give the default response. So you can just, like, talk to her back and forth without, that. Let's see. Or maybe I create a function that's not intern, but it's, like, the opposite of intern. Let's go look at the intern function and see if I can make, like, one similar to it. Let's attack, deal damage, near shake, help bar, boo. Short wait, intern, okay. Yo, welcome Pineapple. Glad you could join us. Okay. So this will be just for the small talk one, right? Instead of intern, I want something else. I want like... what do we call it? Like... Next turn? I don't know. Small talk. Small talk turn. Whatever. Good enough. Okay. And then we need to figure out this. So instead of doing this, I need it to write what I want it to write instead. Woo. Let's see. I forget what this all does. God, there's so much code. What game engine? Unity. I'm looking at the thing, I'm like, what the frick does this do again? Alright, seeing the pair spawn the cave dwellers. Oh, the cave dwellers are funny. They're funny until they're chasing you. Ooh. So, this, I need to get the function that this is tied to. So this is in the player variable thing. I gotta look, I gotta see what I'm looking at. Alright, so player variables is when the event system, in this file. And then it's that, right? Yeah. Ignore the debug.log. It's important. Clearly. Alright. Does Unity still take your money each download? No, thank God. They reversed that because everybody hated that. Plus, I make free games anyway, so it wouldn't be a problem. It's only a problem if you make paid games. And I would never. I mean, both my games so far I've made are fan games, technically. It's Undertale and Pokemon, right? And this one's not even done, so I can't really say I've made it anyways. You've got to go? Well, thanks for staying as long as you did, Phoenix Awesome Gaming. Okay, so we want to look at that. Change narrow text, right? So we can just kind of steal from this function then. So I don't have to worry about anything like that. Do 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 do. Boo. Boo do do do. Do 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 do. And so if I just steal everything from this, it should work, right? Oh wait, no, I have to actually address it in this function, don't I? Ah, frick. What happened to the Discord? All right, the Discord. I haven't even mentioned that on stream today. All right, so basically, if you have seen my Discord, you would see that my main account was suspended. This is because Discord is a fraud, right? Yeah, somebody, in the midst of the night last night, I was reported to Discord for being underaged. Wow. I am 22 years old. I am a senior in college. I am doing an interview tomorrow for a job. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what I'm supposed to say. Like, Discord's actually stupid. Like, brother in Christ. If they've done literally anything, if they actually looked, they would know. But no, and they don't even tell me what message was reported. They're supposed to. They're supposed to tell you what message that was reported, but no, they can't even do that. They just ban you, and they're like, we don't know, but we think you're actually a prepubescent creature that like slouches around, and this is dangerous. So one on the Discord report system is straight booty. Quite indeed. Quite indeed. Unfortunately, there's not much we can really do about it. This works, right? I think it does. If it doesn't, we'll worry about that in a moment. There's a good chance this works. Does this work? Okay, great. Now we see. Woo! I got with my pizza. It's alright. I got the chicken ranchero pizza, chicken ranch bacon pizza. Pretty good, pretty solid. Alright, we got an error. Great, fun. Alright, yeah, it doesn't work. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, that's fine. We work with this. We work with this. We can just create a new function for this. Inside of this. Alright. Narrow small talk text. Make a drawing for your BD because in 3 days? Yo, congratulations! Ooh, I wonder if putting your agent bio helps with that? Probably not, but could be worth a shot. That's tough. I can do that though. Was that banned for Discord for being underage? Yeah, Discord thought I was a child. Me, a child. You know, there's so many things they could have done. They could have looked at my link to YouTube. They could have actually looked I've never joked about my age being a minor or something. Like, most people at least say, ah, ha, 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 I'm 1 year old. Bad, God, bad. Right? I've never done that, right? So like, Discord's literally a joke. It's so cringe. It's so cringe, man. They just murder you. Ooh, what's the age for Discord? You have to be at least 13. We're not even your mascot. My mascot's literally 14. My mascot's literally older than the age limit. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Yes, that's fantastic. I love this game. Let's keep the thingies consistent. What is it in this one? What is it on this one? It's small talk. Okay. Ooh, even your mascot. I don't even know what Discord is. I don't know, man. I don't know. There's so much they could have done. There's so much they could have done. It's unfortunate, man. Discord, they don't. Discord support. And the thing is, it takes weeks for them to get back to you. I literally have to hold a public, like, I'm holding a Pika game tournament this Saturday, right? And I can't even use my main account for that. That's so stupid. Oh well. You want to know when importing for underage, there's an option for a user not saying their age, so in theory you can get banned for not being underage without saying the number? That's so cringe. They can literally ban you, and they don't even know how. They don't know how. The fact that Discord even does it. Like, I've been on Discord. Hold on. Here's the thing. I've been on Discord, my main account, I think since like 2018 or something, right? So it's been like 6 weeks. Not 6 weeks, 6 years. So like, if they thought I was underage, that means I would have had to join Discord as like a fetus. I'm sorry. Are they brain dead? Are they stupid? Sorry, I'm complaining. But I'm allowed to complain. Are they stupid? God. Hold on. Pair DM'd. Alright. Back we go. God, Discord just they don't check anything. They have so many things to look at, and they just don't. Oh. Okay, back we go. So we have this. Okay. Let's see. It's Discord. You see the updates they make? The team is a bunch of baboons. Honestly, baboons have like chunky booties. Don't even suggest the Discord team has got it up like that. I'm sorry. They're not allowed anything. Hey, Puck, thank you for the 10 memberships. Yo, love to see it. Wowee. And it's been a while since we've gotten memberships. That's good. Hopefully the people that needed it got it. You had to dog out for a minute? What did you miss? We're working on act stuff. Let's see. Do. All right. Yo, that's huge though. Always nice to have that. Okay, so now that we have this, let's see if we can get that to work. Control S. I just need the fundamental thing working, then we can just move on to the next thing. Once it works in like theory, then we're fine. Okay. Okay. Should hypothetically work. Please don't crash. Please work. There's some money because Discord is actually bad. And the thing is, I had Nitro. So the thing is, when I'm banned, I'm gone for like 2 weeks at the very least. Discord is so slow. I wouldn't expect it to be any more than longer than 2 weeks, right? The thing is, I have Nitro. My Nitro is literally gonna expire And I can't even use it. Discord's actually a scam company. This is literally robbery. Alright, let's get a notification to get a membership here after you bought a membership to Xander's channel. Wild. Wowie. Okay, let's see if it works. So, we have first talk first. She's not talking back correctly. Okay, that's not what we want. As for your money back, it was gifted, so I can't really say anything. It's just annoying. Cheese, yo, what's up, Royal Pear? Welcome to stream, Chacho. I'm trying to make progress. Let's see. Let's see if the values are incrementing correctly. Let's see. So we're looking at player variable. We're gonna look at small talk. See if small talk's even being ran. Alright, great. Ooh, it's so annoying though. But Pear can agree. Pear has experienced the same pain I have in the past. So the small talk isn't being ran. The ID text is being ran. That's the issue. Okay. Yeah. So that's the base text. Yo, Pear also did 10 members. Wow, 20 members today. Huge. Love to see it. You're on your new PC, by the way? Yo, that's fun. That's great. Love to hear it. Okay, we have this small talk turn. Oh, I know why. We're still summoning that function at the top. But yo, hopefully your new PC's better and like what was your old PC holding you back on? Editing or something, right? So hopefully you have nothing holding you back. Genshin after stream? Yeah, we'll hop on. Okay. Yeah, it's doing intern, right? So instead of intern, we want this to be the other function, right? We want this to be small talk turn, right? Control S. Alright. It should work. If he was holding back on RAM and storage, but you also just want to upgrade? That's fine, that's fine. You'll stream peak game tomorrow. Let's go! Huge. I checked the emoji progress. You need to know. I'm gonna be honest, APOC, we are not close to the next emoji at all. We're probably... I would assume we're hundreds of subs away from the next emoji. Oh my goodness. What level are you at in Genshin? I'm AR57. So I've played a bit. I'm not like a super try hard. I'm not 60, but you know, 57 is definitely a few hours. Alright. Okay, let's see. Where are we on the next emoji? I doubt it's anywhere close. Woo! Nowhere close, but you know, always fun, always fun. Borden, yo, thanks for refreshing your membership. Or maybe that's just the automatic one. I don't know. It's nice to like at least pretend. I can pretend I care, you know? Ooh. Emoji. It's not gonna be close. It's not gonna be close, man. Wait. Oh, it says we actually need 3 more members. Oh, we're actually way closer than I thought. Wait. 3 more members, really? No, it can't be. It says 3 more members. Hold on. Let me share my screen. I'm not going crazy. I'm not gaslighting you. I am not gaslighting. Hold on. That says 3, right? I'm not crazy. 3 more members. Whoa, that's actually not bad. No, that's manageable. Okay. Yo, maybe we'll get a new emoji. Well, yeah, we should definitely snatch that up when we can. Okay, let's reload the page. That's 5. It should be quick, right? But thank you for the 5, APOC, and hopefully a new emote, right? I thought we would have been like, I'm gonna be honest, like 100 away. Hold on. New emoji. Okay, YouTube is actually a scam. Hold on. Look at that. It says 23 now. I don't even know what to say. Hold on. Literally look at that. I literally showed it. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I trust this. 3 seemed too small. Don't even donate 23, because I don't think it's even worth. This is literally Sisyphus. I don't think this works. Last time it said 14. 15? How many do we have? Hold on. It might just be bugged. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Yeah, so it's hella bug. We have like 23. Okay. So let's look at this ourselves. Let's do the math ourselves. How many members for emoji YouTube? Question mark? Is this new? That's a relatively new one. Relatively new. There we go. Okay, so we have 23. That means we need 450 more people. You might have leaked your college. It doesn't really matter. Okay, we need 450 people. And right now we have, according to Discord, YouTube, 76. So yeah, as much as I wish it was just 3 members away, it's actually about 380 members away. So yeah, I don't feasibly expect anyone to do that. Yeah, we're not gonna get new emojis soon. Sorry. Ooh, as much as I would like that. Oh well, back to gaming. Well, it's not really. 23 is a lot of emojis. 23 is a lot of emojis. So like, don't stress it. I appreciate the desire to help, but like YouTube's literally a scam. Okay, so back to what we're doing, right? So we're gonna see if this works, right? Woo. Let us see, baby. It works. Okay. We need to see. There's a few weirder things I need to see. But we're actually working. Would have liked to get APOC emoji somewhere. Imagine. Okay. Oh shit, maybe one day I was reading APOC's comment, I actually wrote that down. Okay, great. Huge. Oh, this is fantastic. Oh, this is great. Oh, we're working. Oh, we're working. I love it. Yes. Yes. These emojis are some of the best on YouTube. I agree. This is why YouTube should allow you to use emojis on different channels. I think if people could use Nara emojis on other channels, or at least channels I'm like correlated with, that would be great as well. Like if you could use them on like maybe Pear's channel or Willnut channel as well. Like, I think it'd be fine if either there's a toggle so you can like select, I want emojis from other people's channel used on mine, that, or maybe a different toggle that's like, you allow emojis from channels and then you can put a list in there of which ones you agree. What kind of attacks are you making? Which ones have you made? I made like one test attack that's just kind of boring. I have the first one you see, which is like a little target attack. Then I have another one where like Nara like walks and like tries to touch you. That one I need to make the blue soul for it to work properly. But we're working. Honestly, surprised Willnut or Pear haven't used their emojis. Willnut used one of mine for his. Yeah, so this one of the attacks is like the little lightning bolts target you. That one's actually kind of tricky. I don't want to be too easy, but I also don't want to be too hard, right? Alright, let's see. Now, what happens if I... Okay, we break things by doing this. Things get broken. Things are not progressing the way they should. That's bad. Hold on. I meant the actual Nara emojis. There's no reason for them to use the Nara emojis. So an important thing about emojis is that they're a part of like your branding, right? Well, I need to make sure the thingy works like isolated. You can't just test it once and be like, oh, it works. You gotta make sure it works in like different scenarios. Because as we just saw there, it broke the other attack. What is your relationship with Willnut? Bodies. Yeah, see, it doesn't work now. Shoot. Okay, because I need small talk to work whenever. It doesn't work when. Ooh, it doesn't work when it's on turn 2. What is wrong with that? Could chat come up with ideas for attacks? Well, we're not working on ideas for attacks right now. I'm trying to get this stupid thing working out. It seems this like breaks things. Oh my god. Because I'm having to do things a different way than normal. So this should work if I do this twice, right? Because this is going through the normal channels. Do you want to turn on avatars? No, I do not. If I turn on the avatars, it'll make the computer lag, and Unity's already really progressive. See, I can do this twice in a row. That works fine. This works fine. That's good, but that's not that one should have worked fine, right? It's the other one that's the problem. Small talk works, and then boom. Breaks. Okay. Doing avatars another time? Yeah, eventually. Not right now. Could you have a day where chat comes up with ideas? Maybe down the line. Maybe down the line. I think I've had an idea. So, if you watched the short for the Pika game video, not the Alpha Rad one, the first Pika game short, at the end of that one, I talk about how I want to make Mario, right? Just remake Mario. It'll just be like a short little remake. But idea I have for that is that after I do that, I think I'll have a gimmick where for another video, I'll be like putting my chat's ideas into Mario, right? And since I already have Mario made, that'll be a fun little video. Woo! Okay, so this does not work for some reason. That's important. So whenever I play this a second time. That's interesting, that's interesting. Is it because there's not a small talk 2? I doubt that's gonna do anything. What's the hardest line you've heard / said? There's a pretty good one in like Fire Emblem. It's pick a god and pray. I don't know. And then you murder the guy. Let's go. Owie! I don't know. What am I supposed to tell you? What am I supposed to tell you? See, the issue is that the end of the attacks sets an ID. I just need to set the ID inside of the actual thing instead. Oh no, but I do it here. Ugh. I think that's the issue. I think it's because I'm touching the ID. Oh, that just gets messy though. Because do I create alternate attacks for when you just do small text? I could. Oh. Oh my god. I have not organized very well, so this just gets so much more annoying. Let's see. Oh god. I can't reuse just what I have. I gotta figure something out. Like make Nera's default face like that? No. That wouldn't fit in sprite form very well anyways. Ooh, you're making your own game? It could help me? I don't really need help though. I know Mario would actually be easier. I'm gonna be honest, Undertale is definitely harder than Mario. Oh my god, the Mario game's gonna be a nice little break. Oh my god. Without a doubt, the Mario game, like, going back to that. I just... Oh, it's the... Having the dialogue all just... It's non-linear dialogue, right? So I need to be able to switch between, like, different conversations at the same time. It just... Oh my god, dude. This is killing me. Buying Thousand Celeste? Thousand is way better than Celeste. Definitely buy Thousand Door. Wait, is this Nera game? No, this is the Nera battle in Undertale. Oh, holy shoot. So, what we could have is like in the Papyrus battle, Technically, that battle is broken. Most people don't even know, but the Papyrus battle is broken up into 2 phases. Most people just don't know, but phase 2 actually only starts when you attack or spare Papyrus. Ooh, but let's see. I gotta figure out some way for the. What if it's not even battle? What if we don't even battle? What if we're just small talk and we don't battle? Because battle, I think battle's the one that's breaking it. Does Mercy do anything? You can spare her. It just skips your turn though. We don't have flee doesn't work yet. When do you think you might start the Mario project? When I finish this one. I don't want to have multiple projects going at the same time. Okay, so the issue is we're going to battle. We're not gonna fight. If you small talk with her, she doesn't attack you. That's fine. Let's see. You're playing through classic Undertale for the first time. You just got the Asgore fight. Let's go. So we'll just call it. Let's put it above the attacks, because the attack list will get deep. What the frick is battle? It's this. Oh, because it does that with the box, right? Not battle. Dude, my naming conventions definitely aren't bad and definitely won't get confusing. Okay. Definitely won't get confusing at all. Not battle. Yes. Okay. Are you gonna release this to the stream like Piggy Game? Oh yeah. This will be playable once it's done. Don't worry. There's no reason to create a game that's like, oh, I made a game, but you guys can't play it. That'd be stupid. That'd be so funny, but that'd be so stupid. There's some modders out there that make games and they keep them to themselves. So like, you can't play it. It's only so I can post it on my channel, right? I'm not gonna call anybody out, but like, you know, why make a game if it's not for the people? Alright. Should there be a speaker in the background since Nair's humming her own theme? No. Whew. Okay, let's see. Wait, I can just do in battle, right? Wait, I don't need a new function, right? In battle may work. Alright, let's do a little testy. Testicles? In battle, question mark. Is it gonna work? Please work. That'd be so cool. Please work. It'd be so easy if this just worked. Testing, testicle. It doesn't, there's an error. In battle is the wrong return type. Oh, yes, it does, doesn't it? It does have the wrong turn type, doesn't it? Yes, it does. Okay. Oh, it's because in battle is it's an I enumerator. It's not actually a function. Well, then I can unbattle then. Yes. Oh my god, I have so many functions and I haven't touched them in ages. Yes. Unbattle. Yes. Yes, it definitely makes a difference. Okay. Ooh, let's get this working. I just need it to work. As soon as I get this system working and we can just build on it, that just becomes so much easier. Okay. I need that to go away, but that's a decent sign. Does it crash when I do it again? Actually, it shouldn't work again, right? Hold on. I need the text to disappear when it's done. But it worked somewhat. Woo. I take $1 million without saying something weird or sus for a single stream. Or don't take the $1 million pick and say weird stuff. $1 million. Bad game idea. Make a game that only you can play and never release to the public. So true. That's like the developers who have like the trailers and like half-finished games, and they're like, oh yeah, the game was canceled. Yeah, that's like, no, you could have released like as a mini game or something. I don't know, man. Okay, delete this. We don't need this. Silk Song, LMAO, like Silk Song, so true. Oh, why do you say woo all the time? Woo, baby! I don't know. Moist critical. Okay, let's see. So we're looking for where the text turned off. Where do I actually turn off the text box in the normal attack? Where do I turn off the text box in the normal attack? Because as you saw, the big box didn't go away. Dude, that should go away, right? We're so close to this just working. We'll get Silksong at insert upcoming game showcase. Right, the Nintendo one coming up soon, right? That's definitely gonna happen. Doesn't work the second time. Why is that not working? Why? It just... I'm trying to make a system. The thing is, if it was just a single piece of text, it's fine. But when I want the text that like leads into each other, then it suddenly becomes problematic. Woo. How do you find an oblique asymptote? It has been a while, man. It's been a while, man. Great. I love that it works on turn 1 and then the box doesn't go away, and then on turn 2 it just doesn't work. I love that part. Oh boy, I love making games. God. I stream it, so I'm working on it, but like, if I don't stream it, I won't work on it. Oh. I gotta grind. I want to get this out, because this will be so cool when it's done. It'd be cool once I can just get to making attacks. Once I get all the UI stuff, that's like half the battle done. Good game idea, create half a game, make a trailer, hype everyone up, then cancel it and make the rest of the game and release it to the public. Let's go! See, why is that not going away? Why is it still there? Why is it still there? Why is the text box still there? That's problematic. Nara, I need you to... Look, Nara, I would never say this, but I need you to shut your mouth. Please. Love you. Love you, baby. Kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss, baby. Not a new Fortnite season. Haven't played it yet. Ooh. I was going to play with Pear the other day. And, for some reason, my PS5 takes ages to, like, update anything. And so, yeah, I'm like... Yeah, well, let's go stream the game in like 2 hours. Me turns the game on, the game updates in like 8 hours. It's like, wow, that's amazing. I love my PlayStation 5. I don't know why the PS5 is so slow. My 3DS could update faster. Ooh, let's see. Yesh. Cancel hacked? What do you mean cancel me? And what we should cancel is the text box for not going away. How do I turn off the text box? Where do I turn off the text box in the previous code? I'm just making an alternate version of this. Like, where's the box not enabled is equal to false? You know what? We're gonna just look it up. Box. Oh, that wasn't what I wanted. Box dot enabled is equal to false. Here it is. Oh, here it is, baby. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I do need to make a new function. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Void. Not battle. Ah, we're bringing back the not battle, baby. Oh, we're bringing it back. Okay, now we need that. And then we need to call... Let me call unbattle, right? And that should work. Okay. What about using Alt F4? So true. Does typewriter need to deactivate? No. Deactivating it makes it annoying to, so whenever you deactivate it, you have to like re-summon it. Like there's some stuff going on in the background. Do not deactivate. The idea is to keep the typewriter on the entire time. If it ever goes off because I told it to, it just becomes a pain in the butt. No! Oh wait, I forgot to change the thing. That's on me. Not battle. Ah. Not battle. Okay. Should the game delete system 32 when you die? So true. The game should just reinstall a custom version of Windows called Narrows, and it's completely unusable and just turns every single icon into a narrow stare. Mm-hmm. If you have a Mac, it just shoots you with a gun. Woo. Okay. This looks good, but if you look very carefully, the text is still there. God, that makes sense. You just get into computer coding, so you understand a thing about it too. There's stuff to understand. It's very hard, but the text is still right there. Okay. So I need to turn the text off too. So when does the text get turned off? It's this one, right? Okay. We just have to go step by step through our actions. It's been a while since I've worked on this, right? Ooh, it's been a while since I've worked on this. So I just need to work. Okay, great. Pikmin music. Oh no, Pikmin music, it's too good. My one weakness. I just melt. Pikmin 1 is like probably one of the greatest soundtracks I've ever heard. See you a different day, Hack, you gotta go. Thanks for dropping I just worded that wrong. Thanks for dropping by as long as you did, bro. Show. Okay, act. Small talk. It's gonna work. We're inside, you know. Why are you asking? Yes. And is it I do the... No? Okay, that doesn't work. What is broken? Okay. What is broken? What is breaking? Something is not right. Are you gonna become the guy who made a game like Geese? I can make many things. Ooh. Let's see. Okay. So for some reason, it's working, but when we run it the second time, it's not. Why did the other actions break? Hold on. So if I do small talk, and let's say I do small talk, then I do fight. Is that problematic? Is that a problem? Yes, that is problematic. Frick. Do. So what is wrong? Why is it causing an issue? Is it the end turn specifically? Where's the end turn function? And turn doesn't have any like weird variables it's calling though, right? I just get turn 2 small talk working, and then I can see if it's something else. If there's small talk breaks turn 2, then it might be something else. Boo doo doo doop. Boo doo doo doot. Whew. Do 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 do. Okay. Whew. Please, please, just work. You're gonna stop drawing. You remember you have homework? That's real. That happens. On phone this time. Welcome, Blossom Edits on phone. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I doubt this fixes anything. I'm just curious to see if this does anything. Just curious to see if this does anything. Act. Small talk. How's the weather? Oh, we're inside, you know. Why are you asking? Right, that works fine. Works great. Okay, then we small talk again. Master, what's your favorite color? And then boom, it breaks. So everything seems to break after one turn of small talk. It works until we get back to the text. The text is like the weird breaking point. And I'm pretty sure this works for every single, this breaks in every single scenario. Even in small talk where it's designed to not break. Great! Ah, I love programming. I love it. Okay, like let's say I do. Say I check first and then I do small talk next. Then we do small talk on turn 2, then it breaks, right? Yeah, why is this like this? Because if I do other things, it works fine. This is literally programming. Why does this work then and not now? That's literally the entire thing. Oh my god, this could be an entire stream problem. I was hoping to get maybe the act stuff done today on stream. I might just have to grind it off screen. It should work fine, right? It works fine when I'm doing it like that. Yeah, we dodge the attack. Wowee! Woo! See, it works. This works fine. God, this is a great attack. I love that. Oh, you're kidding me. You see this? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? I do small talk now, and then it breaks. I can do check right now. Check should work, right? See, it works. It works. It's working fine. That's brilliant. Until we use the new thing, right? Small talk. You ask her how's the weather, and then boom, it does like the wrong text. Okay. It's going back to the first text anyways, which is really weird. Wowie zowie! God. Please, work with me. Work with me. You never really gotten to Pikmin? You know, there's always a chance to change the action. You can play Pikmin on any device. Any device. So you must pick your men, or else you'll pick your demise. You back? What do you miss? You missed the lack of progress that we're trying to make. I'm gonna have to grind this in my free time. That's fine. Oh, I love programming. I will. This is why I am never gonna be in computer science, because like, God, you can't play Pikmin on your Nintendo 64. Not with that attitude. Not with that attitude, huh? You will custom make your own version of Pikmin called Pikmin 64, and you will have only 64 Pikmin, not 100. And the game will be much harder, and you will die a lot, and you'll love it. So why is this breaking when I do this like this? So in turn works by itself. Small talk just breaks everything. So what's small talk not doing? That's so strange. Is it because I'm doing this 1 and 2? Should I just delete that? What does that do? I forget what this does. I'm gonna be honest. That's a problem for later. Actually, I think that's the voice that's used for the text, right? Woo. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Let's see. Let's try again. Let's try again. Another shot. A bigger shot. I just want to make a game. Small talk, you ask her, how's the weather? We're inside. Yes, this works fine. Then it gets weird when I do it the second time. Ask her what's her favorite color. And then, boom. It doesn't update the text, and it like freezes. It doesn't like that. There's something I'm missing. By all means, it's like an alternate version of what I'm doing, so it should work fine. This is all the same except from the function it's calling. It's just calling a different function. This skips to the end, right? Is there anything weird it's doing otherwise? Oh, is it this? Is it change text? Change text is text to ID text. Okay. Doesn't work with ID. I don't know. ID text shouldn't be updating though. It's not right. We don't want it to. Ugh. Let's look at the variables. I love gaming! Oh my goodness, I'm such a gamer! I'm gaming all over this game. Oh my god, what is wrong? Work with me. Work with me. Oh my goodness. I just want to get out of this phase where I'm doing all this stupid tech stuff. I want to just work on like other stuff. It's just this the issue of making a game. Everything's just painful. Everything wants to fight you. Including Nara. Oh, I was just check. That breaks anyways. There's something wrong. It's okay, hacked. Oh, I want to make progress. I want to make progress. I want to do cool stuff, but I need the cool stuff to work with me. Boom, 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 boom. To Yoshi songs, the person who played this playlist really likes Yoshi. I think I have it. Okay. Boop 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 boop. Public bull active equal false. Okay. Now that that's done, if public active is equal to false. Whoa! Okay. And then active is equal to true. Okay. Spritz raid. Oh, yo, Spritz raid. Yo, welcome, Spritz people. Welcome to my pain and suffering as we are attempting to make a game. Yo, welcome. Hold on. Okay. This is it. This is what we're missing. This is what we're missing. This was the issue. Yes, maybe. I sure hope so. Otherwise, I will be sad. Okay. Please work, but welcome, Raiders. Glad you could come. Love to see it. Okay, work. Okay. So as you can see, this, for those of you who are unaware, those of you that came from the raid and are curious what's going on, this is my mascot. This is Nera, and we are trying to fight her in Undertale. I'm building this game from scratch. This isn't like a game editor or whatever. This is just like, we're just stupid and we're making it from scratch. And we're doing the gaming. We are making El Gamo to Fighto, right? Okay, work, please. And then that works fine. And then can I do that? Does it work? Oh, it's different. It's working differently. Is this good different or bad different? I don't know. But we're making progress, question mark. It's working, question mark. Okay, what if I do small talk twice in a row? And then it breaks after the second time. Okay. Great to know. It's different though. It's different. It's not activating each time. Having the double activation's bad. Okay. Songs so full of whimsy? That's just Nintendo music in general. Nintendo's such a whimsical company. Woo. Wowie zowie. Let's make sure the regular thing works. I did add a new that line. And if you can pick a National Hockey League team. Dude, I am Texan. Hockey does not exist. There is no such thing as hockey in Texas. I don't know anything about national hockey. Texas is a hockey team. I don't even know their name. Nobody cares about hockey here in my place. Dallas Stars? Why would I know that? Actually, no, I did know that. I was being hyperbole. But like, nobody cares. Nobody cares about hockey here in Texas. We have two football teams though. I'll tell you that. Two football teams, not one, but two. Imbecile? What do you mean imbecile? No, cold person. You're from the cold. As a Mexican, you don't care. See? As a country who borders the Mexico, we don't care about the football either. I mean the hockey either. We do have football though. Like 90, I will say 90% of the country doesn't care about hockey. I was talking to a Canadian yesterday, and he was like, "What do you mean? Your team is literally in the playoffs. What do you mean?" It's like, yeah, nobody cares about it. The Dallas Stars is literally in the playoffs, and Not a single soul in Texas cares about it. Unfortunate for them. Like, they can be cooking the enemy. They can literally win. Be the best hockey team in, like, the continent. Doesn't matter. Not a single Texan will care. Ooh, sorry, buddies. Wowie. So I love this. We're in the playoffs. They lost. LMAO. Rip. Why is it not working? Goddamn you! Work! Ah! It's literally just this. Mara, just speak to me. Speak to me. Please speak to me. Ah! Please. Please. Now it's not the issue that she won't shut up. She won't speak to me. Oh. Oh. Ah. What is wrong? What is wrong? She's on Do Not Interact? Well, why does she speak to me for one turn then? It's only when I try small talking her that it's an issue. Small talk works on turn 1. Small talk does not work on turn 2 for some goddamn reason. I just want this to work, man. It'd be so cool. It would be so cool. It'd be so awesome. Will Nair be animated? She'll move. She'll move, yeah. I plan on making her move, but little things like animation stuff, that's kind of like late progress stuff. I want to get the core gameplay working. And I think having the fight act item mercy are important. Oh, please. Why is it not working? Ah! I wonder if this is what actual game developers are like. I wonder if this is like actually like real game devs. They're like, I wonder if they do the same thing. Like, do you think Toby Fox does this when he's working on Deltarune Chapter 4? Woo. Do people in Texas actually like the Dallas Cowboys? No, most people in Texas like the Houston Texans. Most people. There's Dallas Cowboy fans. They're out there. I live more in the Houston area though. I'm in a Houston area. I don't live near Dallas, so I wouldn't know. I will never make another game after this. I have made a mistake trying to fight the game. I've made a mistake trying to fight this game. Sometimes you just gotta let the game win. Or at least the game has 2 attacks and half the buttons don't work. Gotta go to bed. See you late. I can't word. Oh my god. Gotta go to bed. All right. Adios, Kathy. Until you return again. Okay. I just gotta get this working. Man. I gotta figure out what's the secret sauce. What are we missing? It's somewhere in there. What's the difference between this and this? Fundamentally, these are the same, right? Fundamentally, right? Maybe it's, no. It's not small talk. It's not the variable. It just, when you run this on turn 2, or you go to the second one, it breaks. Everything else works just fine though, which is good. It's good I didn't break like the entire system. If I broke the entire system, that just becomes a big problem. It's just, oh gosh. I'll see what I'm dealing with. There's so much I gotta do. There's so much we gotta get working. Games are complicated. Wowee, no wonder people pay money for this. Like, I can do that. This works fine. I can kill Nara fine. I took 2 damage. She's gonna kill me. I can kill Nara fine. Alright, this seems to be working perfectly normally. Oh yeah, she doesn't summon because we're not in the ground. She even has an idle animation, dude. I'm so good at this. I'm so good at making games. Anyways, until it comes to implementing new features, and then we just rinse and repeat this until it works. And then this just loops. And see, but that's fine. It can go infinitely. And then everything else, everything works fine. Everything that's implemented works fine, right? Yeah, it's so cool, so good. It works. You can check, you can attack, you can spare. Everything in the game works. Whew. But we try the small talk, then it doesn't. Spare works. Fight works. The other one works. Let's see. Let's look at this. Is there any weird variables here? No, small talk set to 0 for both. Okay. Right now it's set to 0. We fight. It's set to 1 right now. And then on the event system, it is set to 1. So it's running the code. It's getting to this. It's some sort of issue with the text box that isn't working. Can we give Nara another sandwich? Maybe later. So something is wrong with the text box. Somewhere between. I mean, there's not much even going on. That's the issue. You're back? Yo, welcome back, a local animator. What is wrong? I'm not doing anything different, right? Nothing that should be breaking it. These both work, right? Oh, God, I hate this. Oh my God, I've spent 2 hours. I've barely made any progress. I've been trying to implement one thing the entire time. God, I wish these streams were cooler, because like there seems to be like an interest in like this. Sometimes we just get freaking cooked by the game. Let's see. I'm being cooked though. I'm being cooked, man. Come on. Come on, think, think. Let's see. Look at this. Look at this. You're back. Welcome back. Ooh. It's something with this. Somehow when I'm trying to run this a second time, it just doesn't work. Or run this one on the second time. But this works fine, and this is just copied from that, so it makes it even weirder. To delete these stupid debug.logs, I'm not using them. They're just annoying me. Please, please. What's wrong? And chat just watching here in pain. They're watching literally a frozen screen, some text on a screen, and like a GIF with like 3 pictures in it, 3 frames. It's right. No, it's 4. Woo, we're still vibing? That's great. That's great. I'm not. I am. Woo, I'm killing. I'm dying on the inside. My insides are not very happy. Work with me. Work with me. I just want to make cool things for the people. I want to make cool things for people to do. And technology hates me. At least it works. There could be an error, and it could be like not working. Very nice community. I like to think so as well. Community could be very bad, and I'm very happy. How long have you been working on this game now? How long has it been? Like maybe like 10 hours by now. Ooh. So this works fine. Let me go back here. It all works, kinda. Something breaks. But what's different? What's different? If you make fan art, do you post it in the Discord? Yes, please do. Would love to see that. Discord's the easiest way to see me. If you post it on Twitter, sometimes I see it, but like Discord, guaranteed, I will see it. Definitely, without a doubt. I might just have to take a break. The thing is, we didn't make much progress today. I'm so disappointed. I know we're doing something that's a bit harder than normal. And this is important. I need it to like work. But like, I don't know why it's not interacting with what I have. Oh, you have a Twitter? I do. I lurk on Twitter. I don't actually post there, but I do have one. Sometimes I see stuff. Like whenever I see art with Nera or something in it, I try to like it because that's cool. But ooh, don't count on me seeing it because I just have to pray the algorithm sends it to me. Thankfully, it usually does, which is really cool. It's got to be something done with the ending or something, or the beginning, or in between. Like what is different? If you do small talk, it just breaks the system. Let's just go through all the functions. I just look at my Nair posts. I try my best to see them. Woo. I remember when I first started watching streams, I made a short about the art I made. He put Neru instead of Nera. Oh, I saw the Nepu stuff though. I remember I saw the Nepu stuff you did as well. I watched your little shorts. They were fun. They're fun little things. Let's see. Where are they? Neru though. That's fun though. That's cute. Neru. Where is it? Where's the freaking? What is the issue here? Is it perhaps end battle? Is it perhaps end battle? So what is this one even doing? So change text is the text that appears in the little base box. This seems to be working fine. There's a text in the box up here, which is typewriter 1, right? That's having the issue. It's having a stroke. Oh, how's work been for you? I don't have a job. What do you mean work? I don't have a job. I'm poor. I knew something had to do with typewriter 1. It's definitely typewriter 1, that's the issue. It's definitely typewriter 1. Because typewriter, well, every typewriter refers to a different set of text. This one here is typewriter, I think that's just regular one. Yeah, typewriter 1 is the narrow speech bubble. That's the one that's broken. I have to figure out why. I don't know what the issue is when it's being reran. If I run this text, this works fine. If I run this text even once, if I run it on turn 2, or if I run it... It's only on turn 2 and beyond. This works fine on turn 1. It's not like turns are being counted, though. There's nothing counting turns in the background. There's no reason for it to break. And the thingy isn't incrementing at all. It's really strange. It's going to be something really stupid. It's something with the text box being active. This likes activating the text box. It does not like using an active text box. And if the text box is activated by this, it breaks everything else. This is a game design stream. It's a game suffering stream because it's not working. I thought you mentioned a job. It didn't work out. Ooh. This is a game suffering stream where we sit down to make a game. It doesn't work. Hey, Hackio, what's up, Blue Mango? Ooh, it is not working. Ah. Somewhere in the code. Programmer event stream? I know, right? It'd be so cool. You know, it'd be so cool if it worked. It'd be so cool. Like, imagine if this worked, I could make progress on other stuff. But no, it doesn't. With Blue Mango? Believe it or not, Blue Mango is Blue Mango. I'm cooking, guys. I'm cooking! I found something different. Okay. Work. 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 Work, please. It would be so cool. It would be so awesome. Please. Please work. I found something. I found something different. I found something I can work with. Please, please, my brother in Christ. My family is starving. You know how easy the next 2 buttons are going to be to add? The next 2 buttons are going to be so easy to add. It'll be so awesome. It'll be... It's not crashing. That's a good start. Okay. Now we run the game. We run the game. Okay. Woo. Small talk. It works fine first. Blah, blah, blah. Wait. I need to make the pause there bigger anyways. That's something easy to fix. Where do you sign up for a membership? So right next to the subscribe button, there should be like a join button, right? You click that, and it should be 99 cents a month. You don't have to get it if you don't want to. We have nice people who gift them every now and then. But if you want to, you can. It helps out the channel a lot. Alright, it works first turn, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't matter. Alright, second turn was where things get real. Cooking, question mark, question mark? What do you mean? What do you mean I'm not cooking? What do you mean I'm not cooking? No. Ooh, what do you mean I'm not cooking? No, no, what do you mean? Hold on, let's try something else. You don't see a join button? That's really weird. I've actually been having a problem where multiple people have been saying they don't see the join button. That's actually really weird. Do you see it on somebody else's channel? Go look at somebody else's channel right now. Do you see the join button? Does this work on turn 2? Okay. We've made progress. Oh, wait, that's because it doesn't. I didn't set it up to work, right? Hold on. I think just not set up to work. I don't see the join button. Wilma, how are you a member? You already are membered, right? You only see the C perks. People can literally gift members, but you can't join members. What? Do you like Persona? I've played Persona 5 and Persona 5 Tactica. Well, I guess Persona 5 Royal, but you know what I mean. Yeah. They're good games. They're good games. I've also played Shin Megami Tensei. Ackermans, yo, 3Ds, yo, welcome. Welcome to my own personal realm of hell. We are trying to figure out technological errors. And it is painful. Alright, we got something though. We made progress. Add a little pause at the end of these. It just makes it so you can actually read the text. There's no pause, it just vanishes immediately. Okay. Yeah, you can't see the join button? Really? Hold on. Let me go look on an alt. This is actually really weird. Like, that's actually problematic if there's no join button, right? Switch account. We're gonna become HackedCrusade for a moment. I see the C perks button. Wait, why is it the C perks button? There's no join button. What? Hold on. Yo, Wilna, thank you for the 20 members. Yo, dude, this has actually been a good stream for members. What? Yeah, I just checked on an alt account. There's the join button's not there. What? No. I need to figure this out. I might have to contact Discord, not Discord, YouTube support. Thanks for helping me make 2.5K. Let's go, wowie, wowie zowie. Well, that's actually really lame. I don't know. That's a problem for later, but like that is unfortunate. My members are active. It says it's live. It says they're live. I don't know. Is the only way to get new members to either already have it or to get gifted? That's really problematic. Oh my goodness, YouTube is whatever. That's not something I can deal with right now. Damn. Ooh, that's unfortunate. Okay, so let's figure this out. I'm gonna check on your alt. If you can, check. If anyone, like, this is really weird. I'm not seeing it. It says the C perks, but I don't actually see the join button, which is really bad. says join for you. Why are you different? Why are you different? Why does it say join for you? That's so weird. What? What device are you on? Does anyone else doesn't say join next to the subscribe button? It's not on mobile. I just checked PC. It's not on PC either. What? That's so... Why? Blues is special. Why do we have one person that's different? Goodness gracious. You're on your phone? Ah, stop being different. The join button just being silly. It's been silly for a while though. That's the thing. I need to fix that. No. Why is it different? Just see perks? Yeah, you shouldn't see perks. You should be able to see the join button. You don't see perks? Well, you're not a member. Remember, to see perks, you have to be a member. Ooh, where's the join? That's so strange. We're looking on Dano/CDOS channels. You don't see join? Okay. If you don't see it on their channels as well, you should be able to see it on everybody's channels, right? That's odd. Everybody was like 1,000 subs. Like, don't check your friend with like 5 subs. That obviously won't work. Well, that's odd. Someone gifts you should have see if you want to receive gifted. Maybe, yeah, some people shouldn't want it. I mean, most people probably say yes, but it is what it is. You've been here for almost a year. Is that too little of time? That's a while. That's a while. That's a bit of time. That's a wowie zowie. You do have the join button on Danos? That's weird. I will say, what Wilnut was saying earlier is important. If your account is set to a brand account, I think it was Wilnut. If your account's set to a brand account, you can't receive gifts or memberships, right? So make sure if you want to get memberships or like any of that, don't have your account be a brand account. You need it to be a personal account. You want to buy it, but you're too poor? That's fine, that's fine. One of these days. I did say that. Yeah, I thought it was Wilnut. You have the join button, Mr. Beast. Why is it? Why broken? Why are you two broken? No. It works! Ah! Ah! Yes! Okay, great. Let's go! Let's go! We need some hype music now. Oh. Give me hype Nintendo music now. Not chill Nintendo music. Let's get hype music now. We did it! Let's go! Okay, so now that I got it working, it's really easy to now that it works, it's really easy to just work on that. Let's go! We made progress! Oh my god. Okay, great. Now let's go work on the other ones. Okay, so now that we have 2 act buds, so the small talk, I'll finish working on that myself. We don't need to go into all that later on. But now that it works, sir, please warn people with headphones. Why are you wearing headphones? If you're wearing headphones, you should be prepared to get Freddy Fazbear. Okay, so now we got small talk working. We have 2 more buttons we can work with. Flirt and pose. We can do whatever the frick we want with them. Chat, give us some ideas. What should these 2 act buttons be? What should they be? They're not going to be anything important. They're just gonna be like fun little flavor text, you know, like that's what Undertale does. What do you want these to say? Because you share a room with your sister. Hello, blue mango sister. If it's red mango? Question mark. Anyways, what do we want these to be? Flirt and pose. What do we want to see? What do we want to replace them with? Imagine Perry just in the background listening and heard Hack streaming. Maybe. He's waiting to play Genshin Impact. One of them should be Peak? What do you mean Peak? Peak at what? Pikachu! Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Grape soda. I don't know if I can fit. Actually, no, I could fit grape soda, but there's already gonna be a gag about milk, and but that'll be with the item, the milk item. What does flirt do? These are not programmed. They're literally just filler text. That's what we're asking. Stare or hug? Oh right, stare and hug. Both of those were good ideas. Right. But we're getting them. Okay, we can do stare. We'll replace flirt with stare. And then we need one for pose as well. And then we just write the dialogue for it. It's so easy. These are gonna be so much easier than the other ones. So mean for not sharing your grape soda? No. I am perfectly rational, actually. Oh, dude, you know how freeing it is to get it working? I never had grape soda. It's pretty good. Boo doo boo boo doo 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 doo. So it's gonna be stare, and what's the other one? We have stare for replacing flirt. What do we want to replace pose? Safari music? Yeah, we switched to hype music. Oh, because we got it done. No longer relaxing music. We can get progress done. It's so much easier to do this stuff than it to do what we're doing earlier. Hug or gift? It would be fan art. Gift would be complicated because gift. The thing is, gift would be possible. Like you maybe choose one of the items in your inventory to give her, but ooh, that would be. Oh my god, I don't have the items even set up yet, so. That could be complicated. It would be cool, but oh, I already know how hard gift would be. Do emote as an act? Emote? Maybe. You know how to code? Yes. I know how to code enough. I'm not a god, but I know enough. Did you just notice me? I know there's many people. Add Pepita's freedom in the game? No. Ooh. Let's see. You've been here a while? I've seen you. When I got music, it's always sludge-like battle from Tears of the Kingdom. Sludge-like battle? What? I've never heard that one. Well, I mean, I've probably heard it because I played Tears of the Kingdom, but... Is that the battle against, like, the squid? Was the other guy named Goober? There's two Goobers. Sounds like battle. Is this the squid battle? The Octorok? No, there's an ad! I have an ad blocker! How did they get past my ad blocker? Let's go back to the hype playlist. Let's go. Boom 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 boom. Well, this should work now. Ooh. Yeah, blocker don't like it anymore. I need a better one. I just gotta get I think it's U-Block Origin. I hear that one's really good. I haven't tried it yet, but I hear it's really good. Who is Goober? Here's another Goober. You've had ads every time you watch Hack. That's not supposed to happen. Oh, you're supposed to have ads. But you can get an ad blocker if you're on PC to block ads. And my ad blocker seems to have YouTube has seemed to have penetrated the fortress. The ad blockers are they're not blocking the YouTube, which they're supposed to. Or you can just get YouTube Premium and you'll never have ads anyways. But that costs money. Boom, 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 ba-da-doom, boom. Alright, you're too poor. I'm too poor too. Only rich people like Royal Pair have YouTube Premium. There. You open up your eyes and stare at her. You haven't actually opened them in a while. She seems very uncomfortable. Okay, I need to fix the spacing. Hold on, let's look at that again. Let's look at that again. Oh, we'll just take the hit. Doesn't matter. Hold on. So I need to add a space after haven't and seems. Well before them. Haven't. Seems. Yo, Goober gave 99 cents! No way! Oh, thank you, Goober. Goober spotted! We'll have to see it. Wowie. Wowie zowie. Should we talk about how you're in her room? We'll get there. That's gonna be in the small talk later. Okay, that's good. Well, that'll be in the small talk. Don't worry. The small talk is important for an ending. Keep that in mind. Oh, no way. Oh, let's go. Dude, we're making progress. The axe button will be done. Item button will be a pain in the butt to do, but we got this. We got this. Why is the spacing not working? Okay, let's try again. Woo! Boo. Boo doo boo boo. Have you burned Aaron? Don't burn Aaron. Aaron's not that bad of a person. They just don't like Nera. That doesn't make him a bad person. They're just strange. Woo! You returned. Hello there, Owen Talks. We have made little to no progress, but that's fine. All we have left is item that I can just work on the other stuff, which will be so much cooler. Which will be so much better, man. Okay. It's there. Okay. I think it should be like another space. No, not liking Nara means that you're a bad person? Maybe, perhaps. Who's your favorite YouTuber ignoring bias? Yeah, bias I'd probably say like Royal Pair. My favorite YouTuber like without bias is probably like Point Crow or Ludwig or someone. I watch them the most. I really like their content. And they're some of the inspirations for who I am. And if we talk about people that like aren't streamers and stuff, we talk about like more like content-based guys, like video-based guys. Scott DeWaz is actually goated. Like, you really can't be better than Scott DeWaz. And then growing up, I was a big fan of game theory and PvP. Yeah, so I have a lot of YouTubers I really liked. Ooh, I'd love to be able to make content like any of them. But alas, here I am stuck making a Nara game and going to college and stuff. What a loser. Oh, this guy goes to college. Game theory is goated? Yeah, game theory was great. MatPat was my man. I wish I was able to meet MatPat. I wish I was able to appear in a MatPat video before MatPat died. Dude, Pear is so lucky. Pear was able to be in a MatPat video before he died. Ooh. Oh well. Happens, man. That's so cool. That's so cool. What an honor. Okay, now I just need one more option. Rip Mappat happens to the best of them. Mappat was a great man. Ooh, big inspiration. Got me through my life. Okay, so what is the fourth one gonna be? So we have check, small talk, stare. What about we'll go with the hug. No, let's not be nice. Song that might fight when you play Sans. Hack in college, have you ever tried pot? No, I have never done any sort of drug or narcotic or any of that stuff. I am a good boy. I don't plan on doing drugs. Don't do drugs, guys. First off, they're expensive. And with the money that you spend on drugs, you could spend them on other stuff, like games and, my membership. Because my Nero emojis are great. Let's go. I made most of them. I mean, not most of them. I made quite a few of them, though. Let's see. What should the last option be? Back when you going to college again? I'm going to be going back physically to college in August. But I'm taking classes over the summer. Right now, as we speak, I'm working on a certificate for cybersecurity. In the later part of the summer, I have another one. Oh my god, it's the Dano theme song! Whoa. Dude, I can't dissociate this song with Undertale, Delta anymore. Hack is genius? No. I'm quite stupid, actually. So what are we doing? Boo boo boo. Doo 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 doo. Will you stop streaming? Yeah, soon. Once I get this last one, once we get the action done, I'll be done. I just gotta figure out. What are we gonna do for the last one? So, maybe we can pretend to be Dano. Which president? I don't know. I don't have any Dano ideas. I don't. Is Discord customer support actually possessed by demons? Well, despite popular belief, Discord is actually ran by Freddy Fazbear, as shown by this email I got from Freddy Fazbear. Well, now you know. There you go. Dano short, really quickly. Why is Ricky gay? Oh. Which person can I kill the fastest? No way. Can't believe you copied Royal Pair. I'm so sorry. The heck is you yapping about? I'm sorry. Oh. I'm sorry. Okay, we need the last idea. I need a last idea for an act. Shoot. What do we go for? What do we go for? So check, small talk, stare. His name is not Freddy Fazbear. His name's FNAF. Sorry, it's Fazington, Fredbert, Barrington. Yeah. God. Check, small talk, stare. Pot isn't that bad. I don't care how bad it is. It's expensive, my man. I will never spend money on something that isn't required for my daily life. You don't understand. Narrow merch is important for my daily life. Shrimple's that. Let's go. Why do you call me Royal Pair playing pig game? Oh my god, it's so true. I'm literally a fake fan. Who is the person with terrible content is Mr. Beast ripoff? I don't know. I don't watch people who make bad content. Shrimple's that. I don't watch people who make bad content. He copied me trying to get Tropius? Yeah, but see, Willnet, I actually got Tropius. I was just really, really lucky. Really lucky! Really lucky! I got Tropius too. Wilnut's actually a real gamer though. Like break the immersion. Getting Tropius is actually something I never intended to even be possible. Like, massive respect to Wilnut for going on the grind and actually getting it. I don't know when the next person will get trophies, if ever. But like honestly, like you put in the work, and it was incredibly impressive. Like amazing job, Will Neds. All right. All right, last one's I'm just a sellout. I'm just a sellout, but you know it works out. Yeah, Will had a lot of mental break. Oh yeah, dude, Willnet was suffering. I'm glad he's free from his suffering. Like Willnet must feel so proud of himself, not just because he got it, but that he's done. Okay, so last one you probably couldn't see it because the code's a little cut off on the screen. But for the last one, what we did. So we have check, small talk, stare, and subscribe. Whoa, wait, this is a little bit off. I gotta fix that. But it's subscribe. I gotta fix the spacing on that. I don't know. I can work on that. But that's the idea. I think subscribe works out. That's good. That's good. That's what we need. That's out of space, though. Ooh. I don't know. Subscribing is good. No grape soda. It's an act. You don't even attack with the act. Act is just little thingies. You should totally subscribe. I don't know. I had to put an advertising. Not enough people. Like 20,000 people downloaded Pika Game. I did not get 20,000 subs from Pika Game. I will tell you that. I got a few hundred subs from Pika Game. So I gotta be more bold on the advertising. Now, I doubt this is gonna get 20,000 plays. Like this is obviously appealing to a much smaller niche than Pika Game was. But you know what I mean. I can write that to be less weird. That's just a little weird. I forgot this is from Fritz's perspective. Ooh. There you go. Kind of project you get done just to say you got it done. Yeah. Definitely. Woo. That's something I can make a cute video about this. It'll be cool. It's another thing to put on my little, the itch.io page. So people go there, they'll be like, oh, look at these games, you know? Like, it'd be fun. Imagine if just one day, like, I have enough games that somebody can just go in my little page and they can just, like, play all the games I made. And that's cool. That's cool as hell. I like that. Like imagine we just got like a big stream where they just went and played all the games we made just one day. You know how people do like Neil.fun streams? Yeah, that'd be fun. I need to put a space. That's fine, I can work on that. There's gonna be the new Neil.fun? That'd be cool. Yeah, I can work on that. The spacing's right now the issue. Do. Okay, let's see how it works. Hackmathon would be fun. We just gotta get more games so that people can actually do that, right? But it'd be so fun. Dude, imagine that. Imagine just having like a bunch of little games that people can just play. And most of them will be free. If I ever make paid games, they probably won't be on the itch.io, so you probably want to be a part of the marathon. Ooh, I would love to be able to make actual games that like cost money and stuff like later on, but I'm not good enough to do that, you know? So we're just practicing making fun little stupid games. And that's all that matters, right? Yo, Pear, welcome. We're rounding the stream out, so glad you could pop in. So let's make sure this all works. We have the small talk. That works. She responds back. Blah, blah, blah. And you don't fight. And then we can do a check. That works fine. Blah, blah, blah. In between, just making sure. We gotta sandwich things. We gotta make sure it all works out. Rare non-cheese from Pear. Oh, Pear is already here, though. I think he already cheesed, right? Wait. How did Nara take damage? That's bad. I need to work on that. Okay. That must be tied to the player self bar, not Nara self bar. That's kind of annoying. That's fine. That's probably an easy enough fix. We small talk a second time. Wowie zowie! Oh, there was a glitch in the heart. That was weird. That didn't happen. You guys didn't see that. There were not 2 hearts for a moment. That was odd. Ignore that. That didn't happen. Good enough. I will work on the glitches later on. Ooh, seems to be fine. Seems to be fine. Have you told them about the Discord incident? Oh yeah, they already know. They already know. Okay, great. We got what we needed. And then that's that. It works. My brother in Christ. Act is now more or less done. We saw a small little glitch where there were 2 hearts that appeared on the screen for a while, but, and the fight button's also, the health bar seems to be tied to Frisk health and not actually Nara's health. That's fine. That's fine. We can work on that. Alright, 2 hearts is normal. I don't think most humans have multiple hearts, but that's fine. We'll deal with that. We'll deal with that later. Oh, we got the main functionality working. Well then, oh my goodness gracious. Guys, catch me up. I got suspended from Discord for being quote unquote underaged. I'm actually 22 years old, a senior in college, and I'm doing a job interview tomorrow. But yeah, underage. Yeah, Discord. Yeah. Whatever. Ooh, I already appealed. Hopefully we get it back, but whatever. Alrighty. Well, thank you guys all so much for coming over for a long time of grinding a stupid game making. Alright, so I think that's enough to round it out. He's actually 12. Can you hear my voice? Oh my god, guys! Wow! Hello, I'm Baby! I love Sucky, Pinky, and Sleeping, and Crib! Oh my goodness. Isn't the game you're making the song for? Yes, it was. Hello there, Switch. I was not pretending to be a baby. No, definitely nothing weird. Definitely nothing strange. Ooh. But yeah, we made progress, question mark. Yeah, we made progress. Get the act button working. Don't make that voice ever again. No. The impression was fire. That's what babies sound like, right? They sound stupid and punchable. Just like I did right there, right? Anyways. Ooh. This worked well enough. I think I'm done for the day. Woo! This was stupid, but we made progress. We made progress. That's all that matters. Alrighty, well, thank you guys all so much for coming over to a fantastic stream. We'll be back in maybe tomorrow. I need to make more progress. Ooh, another NPC need to try again? Real, let's go. Alright, well, with that done, Honest Bro Chachos, HackedCrusade signing out, and till we meet again, Bada Booey, outro time. You grinded enough? I wish we could have grinded more, but we're stuck on one feature the entire time. Like, we spent like the last 10 minutes just doing 2 things, but whatever. Game design, isn't it great?